We all know the atomic bomb is very dangerous, but we are ready. First, you duck, and then you cover.
Cover. Duck.